Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce you about Inkscape. Inkscape is a free open source vector graphic editor that used to create vector image. There's many more applications like this, but some of them is not free. So, I recommend you to use Inkscape. If you don't have Inkscape, you can download it for free for Windows or Mac. Okay, this version is stable 1.0. It's a newer version. The interface is more good than before. Okay, let's start. You can up and down by scrolling your mouse like this. To zoom in and zoom out, use 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 control and scroll mouse. Control plus scroll mouse. Yes. You can also click this plus icon to zoom in and minus icon to zoom out. And this is for rotate. This for rotate. You can use ruler here and here for more precise and accurate. To use it, just drag like this. You can also edit the ruler by click this and there and up like this and just click OK. You can also change the milli or centi. Okay, there we go. If you don't want to use it, just click select. Okay, this is a rectangle. You can see this. If this a first time use Inkscape, the fill and the stroke will unset. If you have used it, it will the last color you use. You can change it by clicking this. No, this. You can click last user style or this tools on style. See this unset? Yes. Okay. To change the fill color, just click the color you want and it will change. To change the stroke color, use shift plus click the color. The stroke color will change. Okay. If you want to add new layer, just click this, add layer, add. Okay. To change the layer, see this, layer 1, layer 2. You can make 3D boxes too by this. Ooh, yeah, I don't know how to use it either because it's new, but this is cool, right? Ooh. Okay. Uh, this is uh, a circle, and this is star. To change to polygon, just click this. You can also uh, make the corner is more and rounded. Yeah, can change it. Cool, right? This is spiral. When I see this, it's like still on Naruto stomach, right? Mm, Okay, uh, maybe uh, I say thanks for watching. There's many more tools you can use. Good luck. You can discover many tools again. Bye bye. See you in next video.